Hey Gems family, it is early in the morning. Do y'all hear me? And I'm about to make my way to Tampa International Airport. And I don't know what happened, but I lost the footage of driving to the airport. So I'm just doing this voiceover. I wanted to greet everybody and say, hey, how are you doing? Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Shout out to my super pals and all my Gems family. I appreciate you all. Please make sure you hit the like, you share this, leave me a comment in the comment section below, all of those things. But yeah, let's head to the airport and I'm going to show you all the footage. So let's get out of here and head to the airport. This in the Tampa airport. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Airport outfit of the day. Hey guys, here at Tampa Airport, about to take off in a little bit with my sister. It's her graduation weekend, and I'll check in when we get to Atlanta. About to take off. Here we go. I was being so greedy that I forgot to take footage and I ate it all. It was delicious. the famous Mercedes Benz Stadium where they have concerts and all of those things. So it could be a little slow motion. Look, it's a beautiful building. I really like to look at it, and in future vlogs you're going to see more footage and pictures of it. But I did want to show you that the beautiful architecture of the building. It's just so beautiful. So back to the vlog. Hey, shout out to my amazing channel members, Leticia, Heather, Sirius, Dave, Gio, Nexie, and Tracy. If you want to be featured in videos and live streams, join my channel membership. It starts at 99 cents.